So I have shown you how you can add borders and padding and all this and margins to your to a text or to your elements or to your website or to your web app, whatever you are building. Now, how about if I want to add spaces between my text? Because we have seen margins add space between the edge of the browser and the padding, and the margin. What am I saying? Margins add space between the edge of the browser and the border, and then we have padding, which adds space between the border and our HTML element inside here. How about when I want to add some space between my lines here? Like for instance, I want this one to be maybe a little bit squeezed, or I want it to be to have some space in between here, maybe between these elements. How can I do that? Margin and padding is not going to help. That is why today I want to introduce you to something else called line height. Line height. So line height affects the spaces between your lines here. By default is 15 pixels. So if I do line height 15 pixels and I come back to my site and refresh, there is nothing, there is no change here. But what if I replace one with 2 so that it is 25 pixels? Refresh, see, there is some space now between my text, and that looks like actually looks good. How about if I did 5? So I remove that and make it 5. Look at that, the text has been so squeezed together. 12, this is going to be readable, yes, but you can see. So if maybe for instance some space, you are space limited here, and you are trying to squeeze so that your text fits in one page, you can do something like line height. Or maybe if you want your text to be way readable, you can do something like this so that the lines have good spaces between them. So that's it for today. Practice something to do with line height, see how powerful this can get into making your website looks decent and readable, and I'll see you in the next section.